Hello and welcome to the PrimePRO training video. Today we're going to be taking you through how to set up bank holidays in PrimePRO. So once you've logged into PrimePRO, the first thing we're going to do is go to our Settings tab. Within Settings, we'll come down to Bank Holidays here. I've already got a couple of bank holiday calendars set up. It's really easy to do. All you do is click New Calendar, type in the name and click Save. Once you've done that, click the bank holiday calendar link here, and you'll notice I've already entered some bank holidays in my calendar already. But I don't have any bank holidays for 2020, which is what I'm going to be doing now. So let's just go ahead and add some new calendar bank holidays. So the first one we're going to put is the 10th of April. And that is, of course, Good Friday. And we continue adding all the bank holidays for our particular calendar. You'll also notice you've got the ability to set up bank holiday calendars for other countries, such as Scotland, because of course they operate different bank holidays to England. Or indeed you could set up another bank holiday calendar for a particular company where they indeed have bank holidays for what wouldn't be a bank holiday. So for example, Tesco's might say, oh well, we need to charge bank holidays for Christmas Eve or something unusual like that. But you've got the flexibility to add those types of calendars if you need to. So this is Easter Monday. And the next one is 8th of May. And so on. Okay, so you continue adding all the bank holidays. You can actually add future bank holidays in future years, but once you've finished adding those, the next thing we're going to do, because we've told the system what date a bank holiday actually falls on, which is really important. So then we come on to our clients and we look for one of our clients that we're going to set the bank holidays to. Under business units, model business units, I've already set the bank holidays to the business units here. So if you haven't done so already, when you set up your business unit, you click the edit button here and select from the drop down list of bank holidays and click save at the bottom. What you'll notice is that this particular client is set to 2 levels, which means that I'm trading with the second layer here, which is the stores, in fact, under the HQ. Where you have a tick here, that indicates the fact that you're trading with this particular level of business unit. Therefore, you need to make sure that you've added the bank holidays to each of the business units that have a tick. If it's a single level client where you just have an HQ, then of course you need to just edit that in there and select the bank holidays from the list there. So once you've done that, we're then going to go to days and rates, and we're going to add a label called bank holiday. If I can spell it, there you go. Click save at the bottom. That's now added the rate label. We're going to go into the rate cards for the labour grades in a minute, which are the jobs, to make sure we've got the bank holiday amounts added to each job. We're going to do that in a minute. So let's just, well, do that now. So operative days for this client, click the rate card, and you need to select bank holiday charged as first of all. Okay, so this is under each rate card that you have for operative days. So make sure that you've selected the correct rate label here and click save. You get a blue bar at the bottom to say it's successfully updated, indicates that it saved that. Then you click View the rate card, and you can see your new label here for bank holiday. And let's make that £12, and we're going to charge a bit more for the margin. Save. That's it. That now will trigger when you do a booking for Aldi as a operative days at Northampton store. It will trigger that rate. Make sure that you add all your bank holiday amounts. There's the overtime is the same in this instance to each of your rate cards. So when you do your booking, obviously this rate will be picked up if the date corresponds with the date in the calendar for the bank holiday settings. So it'll automatically apply this and add the hours to it. So if it's Good Friday, then of course the hours will be on the bank holiday line for the Good Friday, because we've told the system when Good Friday falls. And of course that's all linked back to the fact that you've in the labour grades you've triggered bank holiday charged as bank holiday. You've got that set up in days and rates as bank holiday, so it knows to choose that rate label. And under the model business units, you've made sure that that particular business unit has the correct bank holiday calendar to use. If we had a Glasgow store and it's over the border, then of course you could add the Scotland bank holiday calendar. So therefore it would know if you're placing people at the Glasgow store to apply a different bank holiday calendar to the England ones. So that concludes how to use and set up bank holidays in PrimePRO. Really useful feature, and going to automate a lot of worry about making sure that you're paying the right rates when bank holidays occur. Thank you for watching.